Hello everybody, this is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice, and I'm standing here at the outside of Ethel's back door, the cargo door, and we're going to take a look inside. We got a little project today, enhancement, to help us with a certain third party of our family, and I'll just show you around and maybe that'll help explain it. So looking here inside of our cargo bay door into the bunk room of Ethel, just a little orientation on the bunk room. It has two overhead bunks that flip up, flip down. We've got them in the flip down position here. And then we have a sofa right now that is in the flipped up position, but the sofa part of that flips over, flips down, and it becomes a camper queen bed. But then you have the underneath of that bed area, and that underneath we usually have we have a couple of these rolling totes that slide in and out, and then it's our place for storing chairs, folding chairs, and have a little folding table, and we store those there when we're in transit. And on moving days, our third guest, our third family member, Boomer, gets it in his head that he's not going to travel with us in the truck. So he goes and decides to wedge himself underneath here and hide as far back in the corner as he can. And then we have to try and unload and move everything out and get Boomer out. So today we're going to make some removable lightweight covers for the outside of this underbed storage, and to place over that and keep Boomer from trying to get away from us in there. The things we do for our pets. So stay tuned. All right, the first step was to level up and shore up both ends of this bed, because neither were supported very well. In fact, this end down here had already dropped down about almost a full inch. And so we now have it a nice little post on each end, fully secured, and a post on that end as well. And now we are ready to measure off our material we're going to insert there. And basically we plan to put just a small panel with magnets on both ends, actually two small panels, one for each side of this, with magnets, a strip of magnet tape on both ends to hold it in place. So that's the plan. We still have a little bit of manipulating to do with the old bed that's up there and its piano hinge, which because it had sunk down about an inch, the piano hinge had a nice little bend in it. So we're going to straighten that out, and then we will move on to putting our panels up. Okay, we basically cut a piece of dry erase / chalkboard in half. It comes in a 2x3 sheet at Lowe's, and we've attached these Velcro dots on each end, and you can see we have this one already stuck in place. We're going to place the last one. And there you have it. Two panels are in place, and hopefully Boomy can't get to his hiding place. Boomer. We call him Boomy. He can't get to his hiding place now. We'll try him out on our first trip and report back. And there you have it. Boomer's hideout is closed.